Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel and the news pattern in the hall, Sagittarius. The horoscope Sagittarius Zodiac Princess is inside the collection of Zodiac Princess Amigurumi Crochet Pattern designed by Envy Screening. I appreciate if you hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell to get updated if you like my videos. If you'd like to have on 12 pattern of the Zodiac Princess Amigurumi doll, just visit my website linked in the description below. The pattern is totally no-show that you crochet from the feet to the head, with the hair that you glue with fabric glue, and everything, the clothes are removable so that you can mix and match with other princes in the collection. You can find the premium pattern in my crochet shop, ABBREVIATIONS, Etsy, Revelis, or amigurumi.com. Also, you can join my Crochet Hub, the membership program, for the exclusive price of 45% off and the birthday card template. Now let's learn how to dress up the Princess Sagittarius doll with her hunter outfit. Enjoy!